Welcome to SB Components channel, and in today's video we will discuss some more cases designed for Raspberry Pi 2, Raspberry Pi 3 and Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. Unlike the open cases, we can't get the access of the GPIO pins as there is no space provided in the case, and also if you need your SD card then you have to insert it in the Raspberry Pi before putting it into the case. Like this it opens, and place your Raspberry Pi in the case, give a gentle push and close it like this. It fits perfectly, and as you can see it's a snap fitted case. It prevents your Raspberry Pi from scratches, dust and other physical damages. You can access all the ports except the pins, and SD card port is also covered. And some additional features are that the cases are wall mountable, and a ventilation section is also provided. This section is for ventilation and for heat release, and very easily you can also remove your Raspberry Pi from the case like this. And yes, that's it. If you find this product useful, then get yourself one from our shop SB Components, and the link will be provided in the description box. And do check out other useful products from our shop. Thank you.